Alrighty, there you go. There's an outhouse. Of course, it's not all the way completed. I still got to trim it out and hang some fascia boards. And all right, good morning, everyone. So today I am going to start building the outhouse. I got all the supplies last night. Here they are. So it's going to be a simple build, just a 4x4 outhouse with an actual toilet in it. And I'm going to build it right over the septic tank. So, so I had to run back to the store today because I picked the wrong size of drain pipes yesterday. I got 3.5 for whatever reason, or 3-inch instead of 4. So here's what I have to do. So I have to dig this out a little bit right here, and then hopefully I can reuse this. I'm using CVC or whatever, PVC, the black stuff. I don't remember what it's called. So I'm hoping that the white stuff will fit in with the black stuff and I can glue it in. I'm going to be putting obviously a toilet flange on there, but I'm going to be putting 2 sanitary Ys to accept on each side, because one of them's going to have a shower and the other's going to have a sink. So that's what I'm doing. I'm going to plumb that in first, and then I can start building the outhouse. All right, I just spent like almost 2 hours digging this out. Anyway, it's done. So here's where that T-post was, way in there. So my plan is to have this 3-inch pipe right here, obviously, and then have another one that sits up here going the opposite way. And that way it's got the sanitary Y, and I can plumb in a shower over here, and then plumb in the sink area over here, and then have this come up and have the toilet flange on there. So, all right, so the rains are gone, and after going back and forth to the store, I finally got all the parts that I need that's going to fit. So now I just start putting everything together. And yeah, obviously this is wrong. So, all right. So. All right, so I got the plumbing all glued in. I was actually able to fit both of the sanitary Ys traps in there. Because on one side of the outhouse, I want like a sink room that's going to have an overhead, like a carport type thing. And then on the other side, like an outdoor shower that's, got some walls, but an overhead. So here's what it looks like. So this is roughly a rough idea as to how high the floor is going to sit. And so next I'm just going to have the toilet flange. Obviously it's going to be much shorter, but it's going to sit on there like that. And then I have a sanitary Y right here, which is going to come up and feed like a little sink. And then over here on this other side is going to be another sanitary Y that's glued in, and it's going to be a drain for a shower. So I forgot my jigsaw at home, so my neighbor up the road was nice enough to loan me his Sawzall. So I'm trying to cut out this hole for the flange, and it's kind of tricky doing that. So it'll be fun to watch. I wish I would have grabbed my Sawzall. Anyway, this is how you do it. Alright, let's see if it fits. Close. It's better than doing it by hand. Hey, look at that. It worked. Alright, I'm sure that there's somebody out there that will make some kind of comment that I should have done, like, fasten this down or what, but hey, you know what? At the end of the day, I got the hole cut and I didn't have to do it by hand. Alright, do I dare take off my rain gear? Alrighty, I just checked it for level and it's pretty close. It's not right on, but it'll work for an outhouse. So now I'm going to start framing the walls. Alright. Okay, I'm show you the walls that I got building right now. It's really simple. There's like a 2.5 inch overhang, and this is going to sit on the floor. And then I'll have a support in the center. I haven't cut it yet. And then I just have the top plate, and I just basically took a foot off of a full sheet from. I just went from the top and then angled it down so it has, I don't know, 1 foot drop. It's this 4x8 sheet, and then on the back, I'll just tie them together, the top and the front, and make it simple. So that's what I'm doing. So I'll screw this together, and then I'll, be good to go. All right, I'm going to try to carry this up there and tack some nails in there, and hopefully it's not too heavy. If not, I can take the sheeting off. I don't want to, but I will if I have to. Huh. Alrighty, I got all the plywood on. It's a little bit more framing on the inside, and then I need to run and get some stuff from the store. Lumber yard. This thing's pretty stout, and it's pretty level. It's kind of hard, you know, when you're doing stuff by yourself. Like I said again, to get everything all lined up, but I think I did all right. So I'm making the door right now for the outhouse, and what I'm doing is I cut the door down a 1/2 inch so it gives a 1/4 inch space on each side so it can open and close. So that's what I'm doing. Now I'm just gonna do a simple frame with 4x4s and then screw the plywood onto that and then mount it, and I think it should be sturdy enough. All right. Cool. Pretty fancy for an outhouse. Don't want to scare the deer away in the middle of the night, or the bear, or the cougar, or the bobcat, or whatever. Alrighty, there you go. There's an outhouse. Of course, it's not all the way completed. I still got to trim it out and hang some fascia boards and supports, and then eventually I'll put a deck and post and beam and have a shower right over here, and then on this side I'll come off of the top like I did over there and have like a sink area. And this toilet is actually over the septic tank. I'm sure I probably mentioned that in the earlier, but if I didn't, so there you go. So anyway, thanks for watching. I really appreciate you guys who watch these videos all the way through. The algorithm is kind of frustrating right now, but you know, I just keep plugging along, and the people that like these videos like them. I'm who I am, and this is who I am, and I'm not going to try to pretend to be something that I'm not on just for views and so on and so forth. So anyway, thanks a lot for watching, and I got a bunch more projects here that I'm going to be doing, so I'll keep putting videos out. So thanks again. All right, bye.